Today we are taking a look at the curved aluminum framed rectangular mirror. This is the size 22 by 30 and it is in the gold color. It does come with other options like white, black and gold, or nickel. So you have different options here. So let's take a look. And it has everything that you need in order to hang it up. The screws and the brackets, that's it. And this is what it looks like. So you can have it long ways. You could also have it long ways, like this, so tall or wide. It's really up to you, so it's versatile. Let's install it and see what it looks like in the bathroom. So we are hanging this in our bathroom above our new vanity. It is pretty easy to install. You do have to drill into the wall, and it's got a couple brackets there, but everything that you need in order to install it is included. Like I said before, you can go vertical or horizontal. We chose to go vertical. I love how it looks. It matches. It's a good accent piece in the bathroom. I was using it to put on my makeup as my, daily routine. And I have to say that the picture is very clear, and it's a flat surface, so it doesn't do any distortion or anything like that. Looks great. Very clear. I love the color. It's it's bright, but it's very elegant. And it complements the other golds in our light fixtures and in our vanity very well. I love this, how it looks in the bathroom. It's so simple, but yet very elegant. The color is beautiful. It matches my other gold fixtures. I couldn't be happier. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching.